Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Keo here with
Verlac.
And what are we doing today?
We're making pancakes.
We're making pancakes. Apparently a lot of his coworkers want to see us make pancakes, so that's what we're gonna do.
Let's get started.
Woo! So we've got the make mix and bowls.
And what's the first step?
The first step is to open up.
Wrong.
The
The
bag.
first step is washing your hands.
I already
To
washed
quote
my hands.
Ethan Nestor, like all good chefs do. The word chef first became known as a sheath, and pretty much is someone who is a culinary artiste.
You've been cupped.
Look in the dictionary of chef, and you'll see a picture of Gordon Ramsay. That's what a chef is.
A cup of batter with a cup of water. You guys like our like janky ass light right here because there's not enough light in the actual kitchen. One of our light bulbs is burned out. I got two stimulations.
I'm used to
He's
making pancakes the old-fashioned way, you know.
He's always making things difficult.
I prefer the way put in the eggs, the flour, stuff like that. That's how I make my pancakes. Cheap way.
Just add water.
This cheating way.
Chocolate cheeks.
It was originally going to be a competition to see who can make the best pancakes. But Kia was like, we're just using mix, so it's not really going to be a competition. And I said, challenge accepted. So I'm going to win.
Wow.
What?
Whatever happened to teamwork? Small check.
Listen to that. Just. Yeah, welcome to our pancake ASMR. Today we're making chocolate chip pancakes. Just gonna stir it around. Yeah. Yeah, it's just Hi.
So now that you have it either lightly or heavily buttered, what you are going to do is pour your mixture into the thing. And make sure that your cat does not try to eat the mixture, because she will. My cat is a weirdie, and she likes things. Pancaking it.
Whenever I make pancakes, I think of that one of the Adventure Time thing. Making pancakes, making pancakes. Mix the bacon and you put it in the pancake. Making pancakes, that's what we're gonna make bacon pancakes. The first pancake, as you all know, is usually the
tester.
texture, the experiment, the guinea pig. So yeah, the first one's probably not gonna come out best, just because we're getting used to the temperature stuff like that. That's what my parents call me the first pancake. Well, it's like every first thing you like, first kid, first pet, first pancake, first car. It's a test run.
Does that mean that I'm perfection because I'm the third child? Definitely not like this pancake.
Girl, you want to wait for it to stop to cook all the way first? Jeez.
My butter missed a spot.
You see like that where it still comes apart. It's still not quite done yet. You know what? You turn to heat a little bit.
Perfection.
Baking pancakes was going well until the Fire Nation attacked.
Pancakes. I was gonna have food coloring in them too, because I like making colorful rainbowy pancakes. But yeah, I was too lazy to get food coloring when I was out today.
Mama fell.
Party trick. How to make your cat go crazy. How to make a silent cat meow. Open a can of wet food.
How to make any person yell food?
Any person meow? I'm jealous.
Why? You don't have
Whose is better? I would go for this one.
Vote on your favorite pancake maker with hashtag Keo or hashtag Verlac.
It's definitely me. Mine has more personality.
Yours is nothing but personality.
This one I'm taking the cautious route. Personality.
Why? What is wrong with your pancakes?
What's wrong with the pan? It's the pan. It's the cookware, I say.
You're one of those people who blames the equipment and not the user. So if you can tell, when I cook, I tend to take my cooking a little seriously. Go big or go home, am I right? I should go home after this.
I want to get chocolate wasted.
Can she do it? Ah!
Third time's a charm.
If you don't succeed at first, try again.
This will be an experiment.
Zoom up on this beauty.
Color palm Gordon Ramsay. Guy Fieri.
It looks like a Christmas tree. So how are you gonna flip it?
That's what I'm trying to think. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, turned into an omelet.
Perfection. Natty. I'm not doing this close up. Natty.
And that is how you make pancakes. Rate whichever one is best in the comments.
Hashtag Keo. Hashtag Verlac.
Black like my soul. White for Verlac's innocence.
So there's making pancakes on the channel. Along with spooky stuff, we want to do more making videos, food stuff like this. Whether we follow the recipe or we don't, or we try to create our own things. So if there's more stuff you want to see like this, let us know. Like the video, share our channel as much as you can, get us up in the algorithm. Everything you do helps us out. So next video. Bye guys.
Bye!